Welcome to this Android and Google News. We are Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018, and today in our news we have Microsoft event yesterday that's shown that there's a very interesting aspect of Android phone. Your phone app will be able, you only on Android, it won't work on the iPhones because of their restrictions. Android phones, you will actually be able to mirror your phone on your PC. So this is going to be interesting, and it's apparently coming soon to your phone app. All you have to do is have all of that installed on, your Windows 10 PC, and of course have the Microsoft apps installed on your Android phone. There are more and more refurbished Android phones out there, and because of the nature of the operating system, many buy phones that apparently contain malware. Security experts are saying that you need to be very careful when you buy a second-hand device and make sure that you wipe it yourself. Make sure that you actually reset the phone if you receive it. Do not believe the company or the seller that it's clean and it's already been like that, because you never know if some kind of malware might have been in the Android system. Well, the fact that Google's parent company Alphabet joins forces with other tech giants like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft in the advancements in Australia regulations to access encrypted devices is showing that Google doesn't want to have, and Alphabet doesn't want to have the backdoors that Australia wants to implement in devices. Of course, one of the first reasons why it adds a new security threat that bad guys can exploit. And, it's been a fight in the past years over up to what point are companies, do companies have to actually help out law enforcement for devices that actually want to keep our life private and have more privacy using encryption. Well, you now have, after being in beta for almost 2 years now, you can actually finally get the Google Voice access. I've installed it. It's kind of interesting, and I'll show it today in a video on this channel. So that voice control now gives you full access of your phone, which means you can do pretty much anything in your phone without touching it ever. And I did use it. I actually went to Facebook, the Facebook app, and went to check notifications on Facebook and stuff like that, just using voice. It works. It has its drawbacks, and you gotta, of course, be kind of know a little more on how to do things. But we'll check that out and talk about it today a little bit. If you wish to access and control your phone using only your voice. Well, if you are in the United States, remember that your Android phone or tablet, for some, will actually have a text message that is the new Presidential alert system. This is a new national alert system in case of emergencies. It's happening at 2:18 p.m. today, Wednesday, October 3rd. So check that out, as if you get a text message on your Android phone, it's going to be that. And this was the Android and Google News for Wednesday, October 3rd, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.